Ever wonder how some of the world's largest institutional investors like Blackstone, Brookfield, or CBRE are generating massive returns in real estate? The secret isn't just in where they invest, but how they invest. And now, you can access the same strategies they are using in smaller investments. This is a new avenue for developing generational wealth through a partnership with a build-to-rent developer who has mastered the art and generates better returns than any other asset-backed investment possible. In this exclusive program, we're going to show you how to invest in the fastest-growing markets in the US. Have your money backed by real estate that you own in a special purpose LLC with the developer, and be preferred stock in your LLC so your money and interest comes out first before we get our money back. We are building for institutional investors currently, and you can join the Wall Street money and piggyback their returns in the exact same way. We invest in the most explosive cities that are experiencing double-digit returns in both asset value and rent growth, and build our mutually owned assets at an incredibly low-cost basis, which allows us to refinance after stabilization and return 100% of your capital invested plus a 16% interest. And all before we get our investment back out of the asset. Don't think we are done there. Even after we have returned your investment and your 16% interest, you remain a 30% owner in the LLC that owns the assets built and generate cash flow, and have 30% of the eventual exit of these assets we built together. The multiplier of our ability to generate returns at 16% and return your capital when the assets are complete and still leave you in the ownership generating long-term returns and an increase in your net worth is what comes next and will blow you away. You see, here's the best part. You are made whole. You made your 16% and you still own the asset. So what do you do with the money, your profit, and your initial equity invested that has been returned? Well, of course, you do it again. And then again after that, and again. And now you see how over a 5-7-year period of recycling your investment from one set of new construction rental properties to the next, we are seeing returns that outperform even the best tech stocks. This isn't your typical real estate investment. Because you aren't buying at retail prices, you aren't fighting over the 50-year-old assets that need work. You are partnering with a horizontally and vertically integrated builder who is building assets below 65% of the asset value. This allows us to return the capital invested once we have put a tenant in the rental properties and then refinance to permanent financing at 65% LTV. So now you share the cash flow, the appreciation of the asset in one of the top 5 markets over the next 5-7 years, and the eventual exit estimated to be around year 7. This is how we're able to deliver much bigger returns than traditional real estate strategies. So what's next? Simple, just call us, set an appointment, email us, and speak directly to one of our investment strategists and see what assets are permitting now that you can invest in and join the hundreds of millions of dollars pouring into the most secure asset class with the biggest returns. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how to invest like the pros and achieve up to 20 times the returns. During your call, you can discuss how we produce the assets at such low cost, how our supply chain, ownership of the entire vertical, and value engineering reduces costs and reduces risk. You will also see how partnering with us and co-owning these assets will produce generational wealth for you and your family, which will allow you to quit fighting the dogfight on the old assets you search MLS for daily. This is your chance to stop wasting time with low-yield alternatives. Institutional investors are moving their capital to these markets, and so should you. Take control of your financial future right now. Call us today, set an appointment, learn about our model, and earn better returns with more security. Call us at 816-852-0080. That is 816-852-0080, or email us at info@clifton-homes.com. Invest 10 minutes that is educational and see how we securitize the partnership, what assets are available today, and view the pro forma on various assets available for investment today. Don't wait, procrastination doesn't bring returns like this, and our assets sell fast. Talk to you soon.